morning, good afternoon, good evening to everybody. Maybe I will be a chairman in Tony Rives TV as I be sending a can interviews now and you so. You do I go who knew and then so as I na you special guest be high in the nutrition come the and the yen sembreno. You have to see an nutrition come. Pacho, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Pacho, Bibia Boko,
Nyamiadum, Pacho Naswe.
Nyamiadum Bibia Boko. I Yadusha watch it.
And no credit.
I Yadusha watch it. Pacho Tony Rice TV is no obey. And if Frewa, a BBI and Komoka Crab in the vessel no nutrition.
Okay.
Yet I won't say what I hear live worship. Sundays be our way, so head the bar.
Yeah.
Numbers of Cacho say, a come up.
I mean, sir, I'm with you.
Come on. About Johnson ever come on soon. Come per se, Oka life story actually.
Okay. Okay. That must say, so Yamena Mosona Mopese, or Raffo, a woman near Rad, so now be a show at the Manamba. I am afraid, but we didn't party, Coquamponsa. But Ponsana Yana and Tamo, Fred and Anna and Crawford Frame. Yeah, Mifri Kumasi, Mifri Barricasi. Because school of Grace Baptist.
Grace Baptist.
Yeah.
Okay.
Na maybe school of Grace Baptist, you know. I want Anna president for by no yes, okay, wow, per se, Wishia Institute work Biano. And I'm so yes, okay, manage photography, and I'm so film and editing, Namsa sound.
Okay.
Until one na yen fear and I rather yadum. You fuse in any non yes, bo soloku, your bar ben account. Sorry, Nigana is part of the church. Now, yes, I'm I think 2007, and I'm starting. Sorry, yes, keyboard, bo. Until I know the honestly, I'm bo him sinkwa. I sorry. St. Peter's Roman Catholic. Barricade. Tinonquan and I'm bo. But as time goes on, the moon say, oh, him not the better now. So I have to learn the gospel songs. PAT, me started say me de me home bo now for no much me how to play normal gospel songs and the other Pentecostal songs. So me brother bako on the bo obinim a keyboard that akwesi yeah. Di me de me home bo no na sorry so yes okay. So me need just level no be san boa me. Na sorry no e boa me man sikasa onchire. Nti ne group oba no chire but man me na me committed nti me kuma dwene ne me ni pedua nya ya se me hua
okay
sa Pentecostal because na me there nkakra so now starting when the time that Dabriku say what to be like a Dabriku like how this man play and also sing me come say me so and also so me started and yeah it's not easy playing at the same time singing, you know, very complicated. But Empire Boy said, "Radem boy, me na minti minye kakra." Way back from 2007 up to now, it was Ache. Fred, no. Yes,
okay, nice one. Say it's you my friend or Henneba Fred.
Yeah.
Or Henneba, no Henneba no so.
Or Henneba no from my mother's family. Me will be I don't know, meaning baby, I'm mammy, Koya Betty, dear, then be a any day. It is mammy say, or your friend on Chroma, or ya was a more friend or any bank. So, Miss Mini Bedri and I'm Bedru Chromian, I'm so no, said to me, no mammy tabo. So I have to add it to my name, and I'm yes, okay. My family name need to share with you. Okay. That's a channel. Yeah.
Okay, nice one. Okay. It's if you want to no I say usua editing video.
Yeah.
We are the
yeah, and no me professional pa me like me juma na me ye fia no. Ana me ye juma e wo kuma se asafo. Ka chire photos and video studio. or monitor.
Okay.
Yeah, my message later. me sambenya adwuma bende maanya nche na me de ba benya adwuma kakra o Metro TV network e Kumasi no de na me cover news me ko twa news nko na ma wo mu ti later sana kuma wood mu ne ade e ba nti no mo ba studio na ba han machines boom microphones ne ade na o mu di ko twa sata me je ko mu e ba na o mo ba studio no mo be je niema na o mo de ko later sana nyame so ya do me nya kakra ya total light ne ade na nkrofo so behind any cameras no mo so di kutwa movies ne ade a rade ya do ma ya de ba ha say
okay na say na nya ade keto akro na ya ade a
ya that time no na honestly ne sika no ishada ntse ne
yeah
I quite remember na me new video me ko han video camera ba ko di kutwa programmer and then you be say ye 20 Ghana cedis.
20 Ghana?
Yes. First, you know, a day.
A day?
Yes.
Okay.
Enti, sebia me ko twa year Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 60. Enti Ghana no mo 60,000.
60,000.
Good currency no ha. Enti say o kon han for 3 days na. Obu also so a camera na dey your terms. Or so obi a me ba beje no. Me han no Saturday, Sunday. Enti was a Friday o ko je. If you did obu also a oh, the work any free no one so when madwuma ma obeka kire we say Saturday no papa bra beje because it was a Friday bi a okotwa adwade ne ade enti say wo pese wo di no credit na waka nso Friday Saturday Sunday na wakwa je enti eno no na Satan hu say ne scan na shede nim sa to me sa na me hu no because we back Satan na kuma wood mumba ye no na movie na akoye Santomo yi Satan camera no mu yisu no na Panasonic
yeah
M20 yisu cassette no
omu bi mze na
yes kana compact na o de ahye mu ne ade later ansa na me kura no Kumasi na me camera no mu yisu no na nhye dan no so MD 5000 oh na yisu hard disk yeah no American man bi na de buy ya na me nko abitimi ko han enti bi o wa no me ko han fra American man no lower price na bia me na mfo mu se bia medwuma ne ni da kala no mu se camera na me so me de ama wo mu higher price oh say the city yeah sana na ye ne kakra
okay yeah okay nice one okay tino emfa se wo Ghana de we ya na wo ye editing ya dia okay na e ba ne say na emfa se wo dwuma na wo ye na e kama e ba ne say na utimi eja adwuma nim edi be pie
one thing they say adwuma ne na me de me hu ni say ye editing grele na kura me so laptop say me ntimi nya bi because ni use old versions and there was a new version update aba I find difficult to do it I find difficult to be call if you kura na me na for me call mu shop anom so chale de na ye ne de say de ye nya biem because you use analog editing na niema no nhye dante se na and there would na bibia obi kwat in the phone edit yes ana sound ni ade no na so no na uma I say things have changed
ampa
and niema sesa because me call me na for shop me call chale no so chale o sound na and the old version as that time so na you na champion
yes that time yeah
omunya kotwa movie ni bakim ene wada koreba before chale bra be sound no mai uba ne o kambo ma to wa wo hwe eje ko movie mo ba if you ram ne you dey ti sound na we and the ultimate say difference yeah
okay iti o hwe na so ujai now
yes now in finally say busuafo ne bebre omunya about minua busuafo be 76 omunya wa enti me so na last born enti akonya baaye no na e wo se bitumito na yeso ye beto abrabo no so wa ha say yeah
nice one okay okay you fan say u free Ghana baaye no e beduru Europe wasesa continent me boa enti no hu ni say u free Ghana abetum wo
honestly me free Ghana ba ha pa ne de na within 6-7 months no man finding na me ni ya. Oh yes. Na me ni ya me say no. Ehini. Because me kai say me ba afufro na me nim sister mo kwa sorry Church of Pentecost Bologna. Na ya pon sorry. Na ya tena kem. Na buze sister say ya kwen. O say ye kufie. Say what? Papa sorry my pon me kufie. Oh ya nya de sa was it that you are there. I'm saying no, Ghana ya pon. Because Ghana ye be first mass, second mass, third mass. Even ye cry hono na ye one. Once in your pon by 10:30 your pon. Venom nam fofo ye buki ye fa ye baba koditi ye baba ebi ye ne nam fofo hia ye di nkomo abrabum ye wo rehearse asekra ye ti bi san ka soro wa ye nti me buy in fact up to now nyina no edru sanda na ma fe Ghana up to now macha wa kakra bet up to now me figure even me ko Ghana kora no na ma ye used to me say no say no chale ye o pon a ukosefie efie adwuma one go didra like we say fiesa but Ghana there like in fact a do weekend now Ghana yeah
okay to one find no na ka obunya ka pesa
oh yes because menya shabo kobo menya shabo no Ghana menya shabo even Thursdays Wednesdays apart from say me here djumeni nyina me sambo mo kan say soloku yeah ta sorry mo dey on say kan brass band be your boy Saturday yi midweek no bi abetima konya young guy akobo like there be akwense wo ho
yeah
menya be bi kura na betima ko empire bomb akoto dwon wo be pie no ya be ma o envelopes nti asande ma no me ba me na emfame eti me catch me sister say no no ase no se no de omni my later ansana Metevenola later ansana eradena dai guy bi so Gilbert obo bass guitar na wonder de me be wura modena
ana ma hu modena
yes na me mba modena na me di agroko Bologna Metevenola kwenti wonder de battle for one link me say oh guy bi fi Ghana baba we good pa into na battle for be family e mo be fie na be kasa ye
okay
say month e be twam no
mpesika
in my last time I saw bia one more than manu masom mana maboa wo mu no I don't chat
okay
because enya sana ya de tete me because me sorry e said that boka say me ko sua na me fam boa sorry ya kire me say me ko sua na me fam ye sorry Juman Jessica no in my last time no
okay
and also be your program invite me bra obejem say no me nye bi krada
maybe onu ne wi a obe say
oh the mommy fine one farm mommy many problem
okay
because me
nice one yes sir okay etino yenye ni say yemfa abroche life no to work kakra bi na enye de o Ghana no enum to no so wo chirem kakra bi ye sha no na ebani say na tabe na hu say wo talent so
no me kaipa 2003 my first time I hold the microphone sorry na charismatic renewal na ye joint service enum to yinti all the stations ni nyina be 780 CI 2003 yes na nipa no host to coordinator ne friend no chairman friend Michael me kaipa na ye to doma obi akwaje microphone na wato na ache se ye nwom to na de ye toto na biswa timi wa na de no pem se no mi so ngo twere mi din na me obi so am say Jovia kakra nti be kwa na my omu person betwo mo se no na say no I feel my heart because me obi a in my heart desire be nim say me betima to like ana me hu say me ne no so ede sana me feel me because me wo me mu no ana me hu obi anim enti be ko twere me dey wo say no that am say no chala I want to sing no mo train to mo bo within na sorry o mo baje so ye fact me kai pa nyuma me to ye me ko su shine because me nyuma me pe no me enya me mama wona enya mama de beto cassette na me ko shine Friday Saturday Sunday
ko boyduma
yeah me ko shine
Hey.
I quite remember pass I am on make cushion and the koto because now me PSD for you. Your missionless. Yeah.
Okay, you know.
Oh yes, me kaiti me koto me ana me ko dwom. Ana me cushion and me koto sa cassette no. Your missionless a cassette e bo animu ani akire. Enti my last time, say your mission omunyo ba, I'll be the first person.
And out to.
Ana omuko programmer, baby omo bia me follow.
Hey,
me wo Ghana no. Na me swade bet. Omuko ba bia. Enti say nipa no kra no, ene yam bedru a manyini amani afi no. I still follow him bet onim. UK.
Sir,
Alessa Champon. He's a doctor in UK.
Okay.
I still follow him even after this interview the other two now obia onim me Kumase. And onim me background who's a mekaso was say even me your life worship is the for we say Charlie wo there too much because I like me pena me pe woman sem your missionless omonyom about 70%. I learn it me and me ko shine makoto cassette no na ma me wo tape wo ti me di shema unse gusu a woni adwen bia ti me di shema na me sua.
Wow. It's no na auto no Saturday no.
Yeah.
Obetima to this year.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Metima to me kaipa. Kure ya upedia. Minyami pese ure kasa. Se me yare na me da me yare mpasumpa. Na miti wuni no we chira. Besami mu yare we nyina. Besami yu yari wanyina Kure eye wupedia Minyami pense ure kasa Semi yarina midame yari pasu pa Na miti wuni no we chira Besami mu yari wanyina Ohi besami mu yari wanyina Besami mu yariwe nyina Oyi besami mu yariwe nyina.
Nice one.
Oh yeah, me omunyum a lot of them me like me pe omunyum ana utie omole wese na uti mu say a very inspirational like trainer kase mu nsem ana Alessa Champon your mission less omo the bar like me, I follow them. It's them does I think 3 years coming. Almost starting so almost all songs no almost uploading no videos because on said na check. Ain't now almost new videos into me we in fact. Na me niache me tap on Instagram catch me one of the best here me follow up Okokofi TV. Me na me follow. But yes.
To or answer.
O answer me but still makume dinechi.
You're very sure.
Yes.
You're very sure. Nice one. Okay, Tino. They now to Sanu way no.
Oh yes. They now me to Sanu mono. Fact, I saw jiri wo mu. Because I me to you I try to remember the song. Eme de. Oh, a radin fan kai me because e yanyoma e yame de Sanu me wi am to Sanu mono. Ano yo make catch them na say oh no to na am so oh me catch them one say me boa eti na die magie di eti efi ho no e ba no from 2-3 ho ba no na asori ye program bia omo ma meto eti Roman Catholic no na ye wo charismatic renewal na ye ko ba bia me na me ye worship from 2003.
Okay.
Ye prayers ya worship ye ko park so ko bomba ya men am leading worship bia praises and worship ye ko bantama national ye wo gada bibia me ye worship
the free side any there
every one up to now
oba ye worship for that side
worship ti satama make e pa no o ma no mu gina so pa o Kumase no na eye Ernesto Poku yes that time when I make e no Ernesto Poku edamreku de won say wo ye chairman yes Ernesto Poku ni pa no ka se Kumase e ka worship yes later ana se Frempong Professor Frempong onye no baby ko omu no edi omu de be fa mu yeah Dweda Kosi bibi ono no onye watch bet na no kwa sama meka yi no kwa sama meka yes bet and the stopuku pa na ye
ono ne gina so
yes we ya kasa worshiper ono ni nipa na ugina so we sisielama fu mu firi wo ne dan na samwa na stopuku pa ne bema young guy na obekumasi a ono so be ya another me second follower na me follow ni pa
okay
yeah.
Okay nice one enti if you are na wototo nom na
yes.
Na wonya akwanya hihia omo awubo mu din bi eno mo
in fact me nya kwanya hihia obia ya na makoma prehwehwe but inshira Kenya me say Ernesto Poku ni nipa me ni hihia but we communicate always
ebesi ne
yes
okay
we want a number ana Erade ya adom so ama nipa we so na won so kan Ernesto Poku no oben Pentecostal Francis Asmedu yes or Canada CCA yeah wono na kwaku jasi ntu omu de omu na Kumasi omu peja Pentecost
okay
yes ana na Ernesto Poku aye neutral ground yeah but I thank God say Ernesto Poku menene kasa na Francis Asmedu there one there menene kasa always or Canada one there or try after COVID you senka or beba Italy asi yeah
okay
yeah
nice
Francis
one.
The menene kasa always
Nice one okay etino enena mu na wo Ghana honum na no
yeah menena mu atututu na kakra na me keyboard no me keyboard no na me santo me ba wa sorry special no Ghana Kumasi prayers for prayer centers onti yeah me ba na ye group ye ba na se keyboardist ni ye good I will sing
weto
me ba na bi a sing and you good keyboardist ni good I will play at the same time and sing said the na me see your balance no enti na me say at times na me nhye de nyimanim pi se metodwom
okay
me nhye de nyimanim pi me yes me bo keyboard na mo me ba ba bi to sine no na ma balance me enu ni na enya yi a na ma kate na ma ye ni me enu ti be kai pa Kwaku Beneza or Accra we say we so evangelist or boy drums and a guy be na kabas and he can 12 apostles kojo tufo one na ye basis you say one so ye sofo one three squad and a guy be no so ba Ben George ti na ya form me na ye yes and yeah
okay
but at the same time me pa na be me co programs yeah
okay etino oni na mu ana de be pie Europe
yeah me na mu child bacha abro even 12 apostles some go me travel 4 years yes 12 of them come sorry me ko boa wo mu ko awa sorry
hey
me tra 4 years so because I wanna me bottle na e wo Bible mu kra no bi obi ade to be na motivate you yeah na guy bi bo 12 upon and kaba sorry keyboard your friend Akosi Mafo
okay
very good girl very talented I did no instruments one the man onto me a banner bang no we brutal eti na me call 12 apostles so anyom kwana na meto
na to nyom
yes eti a guy no drew baby no chuchu was a challenge man first come and the praises in yamo
okay now your mom
yes
okay ojiska
na dia ya me ya satan mu no na me se da nye good be na me bo insinu nko wa sorry na ya me kra ya na me say akwa wonya ntinya me so me ya se sana me kan wo me mu e du be bia wo ja na bo so me akatu akra kan mutimi ja na chese ya sorry na enkoyi
yeah
so eno metima akase no pa na motivate me more say no I have to learn Pentecostal songs so I have to play ti me be ye kakra ti me benya say my banner no ma fe no mo de me compare ne de na anye you know na just was say me question the position
was it you free one
yes 12 apostles so it me call infanti krobia for Kromanten yeah because the whole Kumasi center no we Kumasi krobia for Accra town e what 12 apostles wo guys ni good but wo mu kra na no mu hia wo mu se kai kofo wo mu ye brutal because once wo mo to abibinwom eti yetna ye nya adwuma na instruments na kire ne ye nti ye didi wi a ne akosha asore de mo so for no so back into you be bibia your boy ya say too much into as a chini abenya more links way far emu a to apostle no mana me di fi oba ha say
odiba okay na musa zemina esida na utiminya time eye wadwuma kasa na wo yesade
yes one thing they say oh me you be a sana nyame ayame me nya ade ba ko sana ade bia me pese no me ye no wiase bia die nipa de yensa ye ne kai me yesisi a
okay
me bo aben na me bo trombone ya de me bo ne gidi eti eno ben a o se sharp
oye
ye kotwa nti asori say you charge mfansi 200 Ghana asori ewo percentage wo
okay
let's just say we are instrumentals and anyway no man no yes you have percentage you see it
osomote
nti ase no ne ya chama instrumentals ball brass band yeah eti no feel a medwuma ne de nanka na akogina Friday, Saturday, Sunday, weekends.
Okay, weekends na mukutwa.
Yes, okay. Engagement anyway na akogina weekend pa anti me weekend dey say adwuma no bom ma me bo ana na me wo makora ba ko no so bo ana bi wa me di bia ma no.
Okay.
Na me friend na mfofo bi a chale mbo adwuma wa ho. Percentage say no no na che say. Anti na me your more space pa.
Okay. Yeah. Nice one. Okay, Tino, odini na mu odi be wura Europe no.
Yeah.
Enum to no so na ko say
be wura Europe no one thing is me be ba no na mate nyame ase more because na me hunu sa ade na nyame pe nyame ene de me ye adwuma nti me ba ne de na if I'm a family kura na mo de me ba ye no now they feel proud they say no they be bo ma so nti me be dru ya no now already they know say
we bo
ni pass me say because me buy no me madwe se me nya kwa se me tena na me be se adwuma fa adwuma no ka ho ne nso no de wo de bo nya me adwuma no de wo senti buy no de first time me I sing Pentecost Bologna 2011
also
wow wa mama me se ajonya me ni monya wa yeyi arepa ma me massa adwuma no so no one Pentecost said, I was say, are you a Pentecostal? My mom said, no. Always they doubt it because me go Pentecost. Me go Pentecost. But Ghana now you went there to play songs, go and sing. So me and the moment you be to when you no to me trim. Yeah, me kai one Pentecost said that because Ghana me Britino and there we are. My dear, very good man or Pentecost. Intimate. Who was it? Charlie, you still watch other hands? No. Yeah, Sana started me Kaipa, me bar Pentecost Bologna 2011. Me started sorry war 23rd September. Yeah, me be drew at 22nd, which is Saturday. The next day now I'm hitting ground.
Nice one. Okay. It will be to move Hanon so and sorry no, bra. Assembly no waboshi. And a Ghana there no difference no matter your percentage of 400 and can make us more than 100. Because how to take care of instrumental side, very bad. But me, I don't blame the church or Italy on, but the environment. Say I have to get money and said you're sorry in the crown almost you almost find a very big head Gintiana a family biniana may said don't blame with the church. But Ghana there, bra, I'm telling you. Sorry almost instrumental as I said no. Brother no them did on your maybe. On your maybe no way. Okay.
You have a lot of guys who but they're still taking care of their family. But I say won't me more instrument than going to me take care of you rent for won't me. It's a man on answer the shame mama be showing him a baby me no more instrument as she I try to advise them more. Such a little unya juma me when in the chair. Yamia Jumano, no why ye because an open boy one more space. So when I was out of bed and go to a sorry, so I sorry to me. Say they are sorry about 300 lira.
enso
Sasoro be san ha dan ama wan ka also wa brochiro from the be san afro
yeah
enti me wani wunya adwuma sasoro nso ne nyame be nam obi so a be bra the story ne dey anya say bia because I have testimony when you say true instrumental adwuma ya na me dinya adwuma yes
okay
true instrumentals adwuma ya ade ya me bobo ya me se ma sorry de bo say me committee say no sorry eboa me enti me asori bia me bua me wura mu no nye mamiska no me ya sa de na che say asori ne mo de boa me nsua bi dia asori me ko kire obi ade na obi be to me no say young guy now uchi ubu keyboard so na wonya imam say e was am do be come adwuma that's all
no I free one
that's all
nice one I just say I didn't know yeah also you are kumam
bra free wakumam asema na ye ka no obi a obeka say obi o tie ye obeka say e break pass me no work but we nim baby make free ba because enye easy say wa kotena sia bo keyboard no ma so le ni ama envelope me kromie ya me ko bo program e wa sorry me bo mu ya sorry kese power na me bo wie ye no ma charge wo mu anya me ye ya ana omuma me envelope ni mu fat na ebumisa me kodru fia me bie mu na €1 coins pa na ya bɔ no bede
coins
€2 ni mo
€1
me ye chim no one envelope
hey
ka €5 paper crown bread because kan na I think say 40 something euro
na ani bia nkomo nye bi pakwa na nka
me no de ha me so coins no no me sere sara am so awurade me da so ma bia na enye
coins pa
oh yes me you proud of it wa me bia na so no Bible so on mamu wo nhira sene oje
yeah
enu nti no se nipa ni free na kuma mu de mawa ya na eso eni wa mawu bia eso eni because one oto joma on ayi ba ko ni se awurade nam onwum to so mu bi enya oje ene ya one factor me ubusa me a eno ne me e mu ade bia me de tiatia se nyame ebe nam enwum to so ma nipa bi enya oje two nyame be nam enwum to so na woni nipa bi a wo yere wo awurade mu aba two three se awurade be nam enwum to so asese woni nipa bi shebere because se nipa wano asem funu nipa o kasa kora yemfa enti da bia me mpa boni se wonyame mama no ensem emfunu nipa mano nyomo to emfuru nipa enti se obi a woni mipa a wo hwe po nipa mso be ka le ho friend because me wo mahinta sama da bia me di wuro nya mefie ya wo kan Joshua chapter 1 verse 3 Bible say Joshua baby odina na nsi e bia the Bible so the woman because Joshua and Nana and Moses have covenant with God
yeah
enti na onyame hwe Moses apama no one no woni ti baby Joshua be gina kai wo boa wo ye tumi wa wo boa na wada me da enwe sana me de ko baby ameduru bia na wo se nyame sese wiem
nice one
yeah
nice one okay people say o to numa how do you feel
me we say the missing cano me like adwuma na me ye no me hu said there like enigye ne pepa bia ya na ewo me mu no because me ni me ye ana what study me Facebook a me nyo obi a me live worship always
yeah
me ni because within a year lockdown by na like rather to makuma I have to start because I sorry they are too yeah sorry it was Zoom so I was in the baby starting no munya repentance but I tell you say me ya in papa akukura ehwe me no ya na me very happy yes because later no course when me nye we chire the messages apart from say be amokura mo invite mo ano now no say American one guy be or so studio engineer friend me say on be say this young woman me invite na me ba be life for so I'm okay.
Nice one.
Nti ade no wo ya enye me nwa bofia so bi o ya live Facebook kura zero de be nyina monitor o hwa na okọ but me yet one ma so ko am de mi twamba 2000k.
Wow.
Nti nipa no be hwa obiane de biade e situation wo mu nti e bi kwa na nyum ba ko bi wo beti ye no na nkokodu obi bone but na ten mu efre ho.
Nice one. Na emre bia ba ma wadwen ho say oh me de me kwa ma pa ba me jai
me yedi pa bra eno die me ndada o se nya me kasa bro nsam so kasa because me say drew baby no modern I decided say no me kura me ntoa enwom wo bi asori wiem
eba ne say ade
yeah because asori bi ade aso mo de ye me no ke ye buma bam say no me kura no me nto nwom asori wiem me ba keyboard nko enti me ye no kwa to aso be 6 months but me ano me to wa na me ntimi but wa na me ntimi am say well, ade na yes ana nyame ahehye no nti wo yes ana za wo ya so den na started say they say because me imagine kwa say me kwa Pentecostal churches charismatic church me nko biem
that is a ube dru ha no no bia kokoso a
bra too much me edru ba bi kwa me imagine kwa say Ghana kura so Ghana for sorry no so I worship with Nigerian guys Bazano yeah be 8 months.
Na wonko Ghana for
no
na say e fan say Ghana for mo Europe ano ana Italy ano suban bi wo
bra me yes no nti me church guys bi yeah me search guys bi well in Nigeria for guys bi me no cry lawyers for Bologna me chiro mu instruments na they don't me good na me no wo mu ya sorry gidi later ana me bra ko di me wa dance baby asori am wo mi me bra ko ye say wo me bra de bi wa ha na we gudu pa na on wa na nyo say na je Ghana for asori de ya anu mo start so mo ne me kasa na ana me say no o mo pe mo ade akan kan be say me ba asori de no
that is the see ni mood
yeah because o mo ye asori am no me Saturday's prayer so and I'm so okay Saturday me name and crop for your rehearsal so from there I will come and help ti me pon bazana na ma fa bas nam de aba modern nam no ma be ya sorry me ba be 2-3 times o me kwa
enfa eze enipa bitimi ema nipa
where's our spirit I decided not to worship with Ghanaian church again because me muno na me hu de say ase omumboa because sorry na me wo mu no na me nya adwuma ana brother back mu couple catching so on for bimbra adwuma ana obosofo amane me so me nya adwuma obosofo amane na sofo emeka nche me na nka de che a omu fa me nko kire couple ne na me start adwuma sofo ne ka kire brother ne say na o ma fe de akoye adwuma de bere na Friday sorry ayede
that is it Friday sorry no ani hu hia na chance wo ba ko
God bless you o ka sa che brother no sa be ka che me tale so for see o ti say there am say Friday sorry if you venyo na ba mo de na Friday sorry be enye de nti
no wan nya adwuma
me nya adwuma free o am the mongwai
ne kwes hu hia no
God bless you but I thank God to say before wash dream and no more program we invite me. I went there, I sing and also play keyboard.
Okay. Eti anything we shemu a so bebre egu hanoma sikasem.
Sikasem ne dia obabia.
But be too much.
Bra, obabia, sorry babia. And I make a choice say Italy per se no. Taking care of instrumentals no. Ikakra the big problem. What do you to life? Nessa bia will be instrumental or back catch play. Taking care of instrumental, Italy, Anamewo, a problem. What to compare Germany? Space room. What to compare UK? Space room. I know, maybe when they say, if you modern zone, you're Dawson, but I'll call Obi Baba. Yeah. Baby, and the Paraso of Babano, San Albert no call. And only idea about Quiana a hacking. But me, dear, may I know my advice and demand. We did you know when fear? Yeah. Now I had a big. Nice. That's the most important thing.
Okay. Maybe I said, what shall I say? What to you? A dear pa now shall when you're free noon to him.
A new tour, and never many free pa. One. Yamama mobile. Yes.
When you're or you're free.
I'm telling you, you're happy. Yes. Because me sorry, I'm more than a high any prayers a ban Saturday prayers a towel. I want to share my wife.
Okay.
Yes.
I saw more than a year.
Yeah. Okay. Me sad me because be a son and my wife was on more channel. Say me pebemo you committed yeah, inti nyame kura wo ma me hwe onye hwe ma me kura no nyame adom oba wo.
Nice one.
Because sa ewo ana me my wife.
Oh, okay. Nice one. You may kasa na enche bibri. O sha se wo the whole enumtuwe life we mo. What are the struggles a womb? Wow, sha difficulties be the womb.
Difficulties you womb papa difficulties you woman is say enum ni bu okra won tell we say no. Bre papa this won timi say ni mo read ya o ba ko to nyum book e wo railways esua ni say na no wo pa kira bra wana wo akotwa no. Sometimes when I make us in 2003 or come no. Na gogo mfanche sa se me gogo akwa yi nwom le o si sende.
Yeah.
Sende wo bodan na samwan nwom wo bolumba nwom kura be ma pure le o si le na no. Ne ho.
Yeah.
It me say the kind of man me sua the last time ma brepa ye Reverend Kusi be ko wonya na be ko. Ne nwom ofata no. Ofata. Yes. Ni pages ni doson. It do be na me television we so me ko railways. Na me koto me kai pe 50 pesos.
50 pesos.
And ni book. She da koto yi. Ana mi sua. Ana me sa balance ni say me ba ha no. Be say sua anwom more because na me nya adwuma no. Na me time ni nyina na me dey internet on YouTube sua no.
Okay.
Eti nyame won ya na wo hyehyɛ wo de wo sie. No wa yi wa pie mbra isem because na me to nyom de na nye bebrebe say me ba hana na me nya adwuma no. Internet wo fie ti me tra YouTube wo a me book ne be say ya me sua no mo sa keyboard de na me nim say ne perfect but anyom pa na me sua mo nyom ane ya bet magasa hapa na me ti magasa me di sua anyom mo pa.
Okay. Yes, same no bebre. Sisi ano me patcho so wo enum bia wa ho da wakoma so a. Wo pese wo toma tiefo ni tia.
Okay. Enum de because be na makoma so na mboa. Even say so for kra na ba so for say wa anya hwe kra no. Obi Bible
quotation.
I'm one say one so ye.
On so for.
Nti me nyame ya adoma ye bompa ye. Next time be mo be invite no. I'll try and bring a keyboard.
Okay.
Then you do your live worship. Now you dim komo afem. And also be boa ama nipa wona adwena da wo worship songs. Wadwene ne nyane. Because a lot of people be benedi the nyame say asofo bebre be start teaching about worship. Nti first we hear worship abunze na ushers.
Worship time.
But I thank God say nipa bebrebe no te worship na say. Nti Awurade ya domina ye next year beba no. The keyboard ba na kire say ye tontum Awurade de nyina no. Na ye sa edi nkomo FM. Me tojom. Ma tojom de je say ma ebuni
ya. Ebuni ya. No wa makra.
Yeah. Yehowa ko ewie na ye ni muno ono na oye kronkron abodin to every to me such la ewe minya misu ye o aye kronkron you no ni kronkron awon tefo ewe ye ni daso ono na oye kronkron ewe me di wasidaka ewe me di wasidaka midi wasidaka nyame ewe masia miriti ewe ukwa ne mechifu ewe sama na wasia o na mayo tiafu ewe sama na wasia mayo tiafu mira sama na wasia ewe na mayo ewe semenyi waya na miye boni yefo mira ewe sama na wasia ewe na mayo tiafu. Amen.
What a voice. We name it in the me den die ke obi abesore free adwane. Brother Simon won't tell you nase.
Sir.
Aye. Okay, last two questions. Dear na was say onum tufo and our gospel artists we are obetima stay strong.
One thing is no one is perfect. Me worry, you know. Na me cassette me you perfect because me nipa. Meeting my phone near the day. So you oba na wato jom na the day say radendo mobema first place. Ohumpa ne wonyame no mbemu baba abeboa. No apejao. Oye bema so na onware ya. Mesre wo se bohumpa na wonyame endom oba. Obete wasemase oba obeboa wa ama wodum ne kuta wono. Wonyara enyra because oko ware oba all reflective with you a gift. One ebe vanish. Nti obompa na onyame dom oba obema wo botaye no dom onyame de ama wo no beba ebeboa because eno no dampe enyomtofo down. We your ba bema onware ne ade ya ha dwen wo ye nipa wo akono enti se nyame dom bi na wo sasomu na onene tide a wodwi ana two where you actually because I monitor you on YouTube. I also advise instrumentals.
Okay.
On alcoholic. Oh yes, I use myself to be example.
Sir.
Oh yes. Me catch him and for be say, Charlie, when I was drinking, playing keyboard in Ghana, I was so far better than this. Oh yes, more Ghana, not be keyboard brutal channel.
Okay.
Far channel, nay. Na ya meno ka say amfani say bi huni say ase be good no. Yes. Konyu na dey pa boa.
Wesua.
Ya fire sisi atena say acha 10 minutes. Ya be kele nyum ni sisi a. Na ye like but wunim ade na wo ye no eye nema mienu na ewe ni so no nyame no bronzam. At moment as ane ma ne be ka wano no. E mawo nema bi ede like wo nema be pipi ma was ade na wo ye no hu se wo ye ba oboa wa yera.
Okay. It's a yin
yes ade I had pa instrumentals yes alcoholic very dangerous
and sunny mapping
mano wouldn't the man come mano e mano one thing they say e jina o man e ma mi no oba na oba no de na wo hu wo nti a oba okay, Matthew, I think chapter 1 verse 2. More. Or Bible say abra ye wo Yesu Kristo no. O he King Herod. Asumai say ye kwadhwehwe no mara. Ye kwadhwehwe no na ono kura pese o hwe no kosum ekosum ne bi. Bible say na nyansafo bi mu ne say ensunuma bi atu. Okay, mo o yen hero de so mo nkwe ne mra. Na me so menye de me kokutu ni bibi ko watese se ya wo Messiah no.
Yeah.
Wini bibi, wini se ya wo Yesu Kristo na no. O yen hero de kum enkura wo ye mema.
Yeah, me can yeah man.
Adentia. Wo hunu bibi.
Yeah.
Bible say na nyansafo ne call ye no. Bible say they went there brofo na was say they went there and they present a pure gold. Aha mystery wa ha. Etina say obi wu a ye chana de enti wa wo ko chana de no free wa komam na chana de sombo. Bible say they present the pure gold. Omode man wie ye no na ko ohene ye ro say can these people return back no ma be ka kire ne say nana hani yakwa ko nti ya
or information.
Wo information. Bible says say nyansafo no kwan ya wo fa so e ba ye no. Yes akwana no san ye dey e fa so ko ye.
Was the sound kwan.
Was the sound kwan. They just said they didn't went back. Akwa wo kan jero nana say ya wono wo hasi. E yes sanity e. Don't say be an example friend me to drum. Nyom na ka wakoma ayesi adwene be na wo dey ba. They no wo no.
And only problem.
And young can say be a man on quon. Some of the men man so kuta. Who was so about way to do. Way, that dinner or they call. On say, I say, yeah. Instrumentals, epema. You remember epema. Na ma obana walk up a bearman, na bearmano, a copenon, dead that drink. Oh, you say, yeah. Both no, sa Jenny. Te se me ko ware no me na me hu na me ko propose here it is me ko na me wa adwene ben a
yeah
adwene na me de wa ne se me pese me ne tena na ye bobra na de nya me de adom me no that is my mission.
Nice one. Okay, yeah kasa bebre no e be we ya no ntino se wo afutu bi a opeso de ma you say youth no mo ba no.
Yeah.
You say any problem no.
Yes.
Aha, this wo futu bi opeso de mo bi opeso to nwum ana BBC na bi so opeso ya.
Yeah. Yeah, me so my advice kakra me de be ma ona wo to drum bo keyboard guitar o ye wi mu nyina ye de be ma ne say ade bi a wo ye ne nyame fie refri wa koma mu de ye. A lot of sorry wo Europe brichire be bia Ghana obi a wo tie bia be kan kora. Sorry, said that boka. Sorry, said that boka. Ma will be so on betchere.
Yeah.
What you know? We do really fast so latido, tata, to me, was a boa.
Oh, you never saw him.
I tell you, wow, yes, you pay it back. I'm telling you, would up after this interview, be in your course. You pay it back. Men can say, what's now one of my sorrow? No, but it didn't correct.
Yeah.
Dinu kurenti asori ne kire wona e bia wo pese wo free kuro na wo mu no ana say ade na wo soso wonye wadwe se wo be kire obi pese minkumi nya no dawson asori oye bibia wo be kire ni nua no on kire da
no krepa
pese minkumi nya ya ne ya asofo no ya no mutu asori instrumental do na so ya pese minkumi nya proudness wa man ho me so no ayesei okọ rehearsals okura o kan obi nkabi
side onimzo oni wa obi e no obeye ntira
bra me say why yen san free biem a ban music session from 23 experience kakra me menya wo mu no proudness bra eku like enye nyame mpesa Bible say o bra ho asia everybody ni be pagya we are good, we are fantastic. One studio engineer, me nyane brother George Forrest.
George Forrest, okay.
Me what? Wo kasa wo kono wo me say wo mu gba ya me so kete ana me start e follow instrumentals. E gba ye e wo ye kuruma me jamba ya chi. Ti me kuma se band me nim fa.
Nice.
O wa ye ne band o ba me nyahu ya Georgia o buki board na me venisa. So me should be keyboard na me so me follow George Forrest. And na George Forrest so na san ye nkrofo a me san po munwom yo me Charles.
Okay.
George Forrest na san ye munwom.
Oyo munwom.
Yes. Eti me keyboard bodo na no me monitor na me monitor ya jot mo enti be sere advice ka ke be man say maso ne de be ba because ye nipa abi asofo kora bitima ye bibi wi nipa ebetia be de meka ne say ni nyina mu no bro ho ase ne sofo nkasa ana sofo no so yeso kakra be ka ne say ne ka ho bi oso asole bana wono so oboa amenyame adwuma akosoro se ja oso awurade ka wakoma na wo se wo so tu botom e ma ne kwansi bia na wo de ama no because to de bia ya na ya instrument bi o what wo bopa bet credit kro be good phone so no den nti se awurade ka na koma na mo so o ma ye de o mo so aboa wo mu because ye nyina na ye ka bom na ye nyame adwuma na ye fe.
Nice one. The Bible said your was no until the home no kasa kyerɛ asafo no. Enti no etiefo ɛyɛ kɔmɔtwetwe ne de besi ha no na mmerepɛ mu no de bɛso so ɛbɛka ho. Enti yɛda ye brother panyi ase so onya abotre ne ɛbɛtena twetwe nkɔmɔ. Nyame hyira no pa bro. Nyame hyira so onya time ɛbɛtena ne twetwe nkɔmɔ.
Nyame so hyira mo sɛ mo so mo hwɛ me life worship a mo yɛ sɛ mo so mo ne me bɛtwetwe nkɔmɔ. Awurade mo amona mo studio ha kama mundure chiri ebi kura na ye kura be ba na ye ba be delay kese ye be delay nyame moamu na de mo vision because ebi mo so abie we e de ye niama emfa mo awurade ti mo so mo de se mo de promote the youth ene bibia mu awurade moamu because de waso funtum da de mu no ensa na chikwa ade bia mo ye bia na wonyame wonfa no mo. Let me say after this interview, we nyame ever kasa. Amen.
Amen. Yejitum. Amen. Internet you for your brother Penyase. Nyame shano pa. Me make say from 20 vibes. Ye chemu nyina. Mwa bye.